Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have the essentials: a working microphone and Microsoft 365. First, plug in or pair your mic and confirm it appears in System Sound Settings. Next, open Word, sign into your 365 account, and select the Home tab. Once there, click the Dictate button. Word will request microphone permission if needed. You'll hear a tone or see the red dot. This means Word is listening. Start speaking clearly and at a normal pace to feed the editor usable text. Now that Word is listening, speak sentences naturally and include punctuation words like period, comma, or question mark to place marks precisely. Use commands such as new line, new paragraph, or bullet list to structure content. Say tab or indent for nesting. For edits, say select followed by the phrase, then dictate replacements. To force capitalization, say cap or spell a word. Make sure to pause slightly between commands and phrases so dictate can separate actions from content. When you're done, click Dictate to stop recording and save the document immediately to OneDrive or your local drive. You should proofread by eye and run read aloud to catch misheard words. Make quick fixes by selecting text and speaking replacements. If recognition is poor, verify microphone placement, set Word's dictation language to match your voice, and ensure you have a stable internet connection because cloud processing improves accuracy. If problems persist, restart Word or repair your headset and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.